Hey guys, you're welcome. You're welcome to Progressive Recipes. In today's video, we'll be making banana buns. Yeah, banana puff puff, banana buns, anyone you want to call it, but this is banana buns for me. You can see well-ripe banana. So for this recipe, you need your all-purpose flour, that's plain flour. Yes, you need your milk, liquid milk, baking powder, banana, eggs, sugar, salt. That is it. So firstly, you have to use your cup and measure out 2 cups of flour. Yeah, 2 leveled cups of flour. People normally ask me, what kind of flour do you use? I use plain flour. Plain flour is also known as all-purpose flour. Yes, so measure out 2 cups of flour. You add a tablespoon, that's the half tablespoon, but I'm using a teaspoon of baking powder, leveled spoon or leveled teaspoon of baking powder. Stir together and you set aside. Yes, the 2 banana, peel your 2 banana immediately and you get a little blender for me because we're going to be blending this to a smooth paste. Yeah, you don't need, if you don't want to use banana, you can use banana flavor, but you using banana will give it the best. This is a new recipe in this channel. I decided I just figured it out on my own. I said, let me just give it a try out and see what it looks like. But the outcome was wow, it was nice. My husband tested and he said this is lovely. So I'm putting on, I didn't measure the milk, so at least if you're going in with milk, go with 50 grams of milk, and you add 2 eggs to it and you blend to smooth. Yeah, when everything is well combined, you add in my tablespoon is missing, so this half tablespoon I'm using it. You can see I'm putting up to 5. That 5 is with tablespoon is giving you 2 tablespoon and half, so that's 2 tablespoon and half of sugar. That's what I added, and I will mix the flour and sugar together, and I will be adding a pinch of salt. Yeah, just a pinch of salt to it, and that is that. We'll start pouring in our mix. So this is a mixture of banana, egg, and what again? And our milk. So don't forget that 2 eggs, 2 banana, and 50 grams of milk. So if you want to measure yours, so do 50 grams of milk. If you don't want to add your own immediately, some flour, I noticed, so far so good, I've noticed that some flour absorbed liquid easily, some don't absorb easily. So please don't do like progress, just add your batter, your blended batter bit by bit. You can see what I took out from it is not much, so that's why I give you 50 grams, so that a lot of people love measurements. So if you are not sure of what to add that liquid little by little, mix until you get a very thick batter like mine before you stop mixing. So my batter is ready right now. I'll add my oil. This is an oil I normally use to fry with. It's an old oil, so I pour into my deep frying pan and I will allow it to heat for a while before we start frying. Yes, this is very easy. I just thought of it. I said, let me give it a try. Wash your hand very well dry and you start molding it in for me like the same way you do your puff puff. Yeah, the same way you do your dropping buns. This is the same way you're going to be dropping these banana buns for me. It sounds so funny, but my dear, try it, you will like it. So I'm using a drop of the press to just check if the oil is there. Right now oil is ready. For it to pop up, that simply means it's ready. So I'll just be putting 3 to be sure everything is cool and okay before we continue. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. recipe. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to be a part of this channel only by liking my video, subscribing to my channel, so that whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I appreciate you all so much for always sticking on my videos, coming back again to check on me. It has not been easy for me to handle motherhood, work, content creation here in the UK, but we are still pushing, and you have always stick to this channel. I love you all, and I celebrate you one after the other. So thanks for always tuning into my channel. If you have any question for me, like I always say in all my recent videos, please go to Mrs. Progress Innocent channel. That is my lifestyle channel. I don't have a lot of work doing there, so when you drop question, it's for me to easily fish it out and answer you. But here, this channel is too busy, a lot of questions piled up for me to answer, so that me getting to you might take more months, because I have a lot to do here. So please don't forget to be in that my new channel, my lifestyle channel, Mrs. Progress Innocent channel. Drop your question and I promise to answer you, get back to you easily. So you can see the way I'm molding it. Right now I was able to test with 4 pieces, and everything came out nice. I'm molding it just the same way I do my French buns, but the test is different. The amazing flavor from this ripe banana is extremely tempting. So please, if you are a buns lover, if you're a pastry lover, you get to try this. You can see everything is so easy and nice. A lot of people say drop the recipe online. Don't worry, I'll just put it on the screen below for you to always see it, because I'm not going to be putting on description box, because a lot of people just come to copy recipe and leave without watching the video. So it will be on the screen too for you to fish it out. So drop your buns, and please, if you're lowering your heat, make sure it's on a medium heat, not too low, not too high, so that everything will cook right both in and outside and give you that beautiful golden brown we are looking out for. Yeah, that is it. This is looking beautiful. This is my first time of trying this recipe. Like I told you, I figured it out of my head, and I told myself it's gonna be nice, I need to try it. So, and here is it, looking good, looking beautiful. This is banana buns. Yeah, banana buns is so nice and lovely. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed? Have you shared to friends and family? Have you been a part for a long time? Thank you for joining. This is indeed our banana buns, well ripe banana. If you have overripe banana, you can also use it, but the flavor is amazing. The scent in the kitchen is attracting, it's tempting. So keep your kitchen busy this weekend. Keep your kitchen busy this summer holidays coming soon by dishing out these lovely recipes for your children, anytime, any day. They will appreciate you and love you more. So I can't stop bringing up banana, because I was imagine the banana thing. I was trying to get a good view of the banana. I want to take a good picture from this background. So right now, this is ready. The first one I tested it was not too good, but this second batch is very, very nice. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Thanks. Okay, I'm taking it out, and that is it. This is the 2 cups we had, and this is the outcome. Isn't it beautiful? At least this is a good one for family test, for family enjoyment. So let's see how the inside looks like. It looks exactly like buns, well cooked inside. Everything is so soft, crispy and yummy. Look at that, so soft. Thanks for watching. Bye.